Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CLS or cumulative layout shift issues on WordPress based on the 2025 Core Web Vitals update. So let's get into it. Step 1. Use PageSpeed Insights or Lighthouse to identify what is causing the layout shift. Step 2. Make sure all images and embeds use defined width and height attributes. Step 3. Preload important fonts to avoid FOUT or flash out unstyled text. Step 4. Avoid inserting dynamic content above existing content unless space is reserved. Step 5. Use minimum height on lazy loaded elements and banners to maintain layout stability. Step 6. Recheck your site after updates to confirm the CLS score has improved. Fixing the CLS will not only boost user experience, it is also a great for SEO. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.